this Monday morning, we had a very cold weekend.
Yep.
And then we, open our week out to fog and just rain.
I know, yeah, that storm system is still hanging around. That brought some of that nasty weather yesterday. And so you just get that combination of all that fresh moisture. There's the fog.
Wow.
And it's going to be a bit of a pain the rest of the day, Shanika. Let's talk about it. Again, visibility, it's an issue, especially up in some of our northern counties. But you saw that view out toward Roslyn in D.C. and inside the Beltway as well. That fogginess is reducing the visibility down to just 2 miles. It won't stop you in your tracks, but it will make you slow down a little bit, hopefully, on those roadways. Because, again, anywhere we don't have a 10 on the map, that's where this fog mist is causing visibility problems. And look up along I-81, stretching down I-270 between Hagerstown and Frederick. That fog is very, very dense at the moment. So if you are going to be out on any of the roadways in the DMV today, just give yourself some extra time because this fog is not going anywhere. Now, on top of that, one other thing we just want to pay attention to, especially up toward the I-81 corridor, it's still very chilly in some parts of the region. DC is up to 44 now, so well above freezing, but those temperatures, they're hovering in the mid-30s out to the west. And not only is the air temperature that cold, but the road temperatures are just that cold as well, right along that freezing mark. So any of that fresh moisture on the ground could refreeze until these temperatures rise a little bit more. So you want to watch out for that possibility of black ice out across some of our western counties. Now closer to DC, look at how warm the road temperatures are, up near 60. That's not going to be a problem, thankfully enough, closer to the district. And temperatures will keep warming up because, look at this, we have a warm front that is pushing on through now. It's going to kick up some southerly winds that will bring the temperatures well above freezing, so wintry precip not going to be a worry over the next couple of days. But we do have more rainfall on the way. It's back across the Ohio River Valley as we speak, and this will be pushing in as we head later in the day today and into the night. So this soggy setup, it's not going to end anytime soon. Here we go. On toward the 4 o'clock hour. Things are still dry for the start of the evening commute around D.C., but we'll start to see that rainfall spreading out over the mountains of western Maryland and West Virginia by the late afternoon. And then as we head later in the evening commute here by 6 o'clock, some of that rainfall will be filling in inside the Beltway along the I-95 corridor and into northern Virginia as well. Some of this could be on the heavier side, but mostly we'll see just this scattered rainfall with the majority of any steadier rain staying up to the north, closer to the Pennsylvania-Maryland line. The more south that you go toward Waldorf, Manassas, Culpeper, if we see any rainfall, it will be light. And it stays soggy as we go through the middle of the night tonight. But watch this, as this one storm system clears, we'll have some clouds, a little bit of fog tomorrow morning. But by the afternoon, it's going to be sunny as ever. But don't let that fool you. We only catch a very small break with these clear skies, and then the next system arrives by Wednesday when we will have more rainfall with warmer temperatures in the 50s and 60s sticking around. And then late this week, it gets much, much colder once again, folks, as we get ready for the holidays coming up.